Dishly, a web app, and a submission for Hello World 2025 by Neil Koti-Chintala and Paul Tudyk. So I'll start by introducing the problem Dishly aims to address and move into the various features the app includes, along with some plans for its future. So to begin with the problem that we aim to solve with Dishly, food reviews. Large platforms that feature food reviews, notably Yelp and Google Maps, only support user ratings for the restaurant businesses themselves, rather than any individual dishes from those restaurants. Many different factors like service, cleanliness, and wait time can influence a customer's rating for a restaurant, which may leave honest evaluations of the actual food behind. With Dishly, a web app, we aim to solve this problem by creating a platform for food reviews centered around just the dishes and nothing more, eliminating the many confounding factors that sit behind many of these reviews. To begin with our Home tab. Here, users will find and explore new foods through personalized AI recommendations based on their history with the app, as well as dishes in their location proximity that are trending with good ratings. Moving on to the Search and Rate tabs. The Search tab is where the user finds the dishes they're looking for with the help of dietary filters, and the Rate tab is where users may rate and write reviews for dishes they've tried. This tab will suggest restaurants in proximity as well as recently browsed dishes for the user. Implemented in multiple tabs are maps and direction features. Any dish selected by the user will offer quick in-app directions to the restaurant, and additionally the user can choose to view search results when they search for a dish in the form of a map with pins rather than in a list form. These pins will include the average star rating for that dish and the restaurant they belong to. Our final and most unique feature is found with our user profile. So, Dishly in its current state operates with a finite set of menus that belong to West Lafayette only. However, its expansion would involve users inputting menus into the app in order to allow for a global user base in Dishly. The incentive for users to do this, along with leaving reviews, would be to earn points and to maximize their levels as a food critic. They will change their tiers or their rank based on their progress in the app, based on ratings, and based on inputting menus, as I mentioned. And the Save tab is simply where users can see items that they've favorited. Some future ideas that we have for Dishly. Promotional content. We plan to implement a section where restaurants can upload promotional videos featuring food, dishes specifically, with direct links to those dishes in the app from the video. This content will be consumed by the users but uploaded strictly by the restaurants. Additionally, in terms of monetization, we would plan to implement sponsored listings for restaurants to have the availability to get certain dishes up higher in searches for users. And finally, as I mentioned, through the use of the user input functions, expansion from West Lafayette restaurants to globally. The technology we used to make Dishly possible was Vite, Supabase, React, TypeScript, and the Google Maps APIs. And with that being said, I will hand it off to Neil for a demo video of Dishly.
I'm Neil, and I'll be showing you what our website looks like in action. So, first of all, when you log in, you'll be redirected to this page. So, you will see a message, search bar, quick searches, and then if you scroll down even more, you'll see the hot right now, the trending foods. If you scroll down even more, you can see the recommended for you, which is the personalized feed. So, let's go straight into some, let's go chocolate shop burger. Okay. So, we can see reviews here. We can see a rate and review button, a save button, share button, and directions. Let's go through each one. So let's try the rate and review. Let's give it a rating. Let's do 5. This was amazing. Submit that and see now your review is in the system with all the rest of the reviews. So if you click this right here, which is the save button, it'll give you a notification, item saved to your saved list. Let's go to the save tab and you can see that right there. So let's go back here. And now this is a share. So it's going to copy a link and you can send it to your friends on messages or any social media. If you click this directions button, it will give you the directions right there, the time it takes to get there, and the location. So now let's move on to the search tab. Let's search up something a user would say like pizza. You get these 2 results. Obviously, we'll have more results once we have a bigger database. This is just a demo. So if you click on these, it'll be the same thing as we saw on the home screen. And then if you click filters, you can search by restrictions like vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free. You can also search by sorting, so highest rating to lowest rating. There's also a quick near me search, which will sort by distance. If you click this map button, it will show you the search in a map format. So here is the Mad Mushroom Pizza with a 4.6 average rating. Here is the Irish Pizza with the 4.2 average rating. So it's just an easier way to visualize it, or if you want to see how far you are from each of the places, that's a good way to go. Now let's move on to the rate tab. So every single item you clicked will be tracked, and you can view all of them. So whenever you want to review, if you forgot and you can see what you've recently viewed, you can come back here and quickly review by clicking on it and clicking this button. Let's go down even more. Restaurants near you. So this is just a way for users at the beginning to quickly get the database more active because we need more reviews. So if they've been to any of these restaurants before near them, then they can go in and find all the menu items here. Obviously, they're not all here, but once they are, they can find it, anything they've tried, and give a review real quick. So let's go to the saved. This was we already went through. We can actually unsave this just to show you. Refresh, and it's gone. Let's go to the profile. Last thing, there's account, Food Explorer, Silver Critic, which is a tag I'll get to in a bit. There's 750 points, 42 reviews, and 8 uploads. 8 uploads is number of menus that are uploaded. I'll show you right now. So you can search the restaurant and upload from your computer or drag a PDF or a PNG. Here is the progress to Platinum Critic. So this account obviously has 750 points, 250 to reach the Platinum Critic. The achievements are right here. Newcomer, bronze, silver, platinum. You gain points by uploading and leaving reviews. So that's just a way to get more users to do that. So if you scroll down even more, you can see all of the reviews. There's like duplicates because I was doing multiple reviews, but yeah, you can see your reviews here, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.